So if you want to pick up the 5 times the size, this is the way to do it at the very best value. So Liz, tell us all about this.
Yes, and this will be your new favorite wash. It'll be your
Yep.
favorite shampoo. You can use it from head to toe. Yes, certified clean beauty, sulfate free. Again, I don't know why I'm whispering, but here's what you're going to love. Yes, and it's huge and it's heavy. And if you're just for yourself, probably 10, 11 months. But you know Nakery for using powerful skincare ingredients. So you've got your niacinamide, your vitamin C, your hyaluronic in here, your squalene, your Arctic microalgae. So if you have dry, aging skin, you're going to love that it's clinically proven to hydrate for over 24 hours, as well as when you get out of the shower, your skin will look younger, smoother. You don't have to run to put on your cream. However, what you're also going to love is it's infused with incredible magnesium chloride, 4 times our complex, proprietary complex, 4 times the amount. So what's so great about that? Well, our bodies don't produce magnesium. Magnesium chloride is the number one mineral responsible for over 300 functions within the body. So it's responsible for sleep, anxiety, stress, you name it, alleviates muscle tension. It's a natural pain reliever, helps with headaches, migraines, you name it. That is all due to magnesium. And again, it's because our bodies don't produce it. The best way to get it is topically through the skin. So if you're someone that says, Liz, I know I need potassium, I know I need electrolytes, I know I need magnesium, is this going to work? Oh, yes, it is. So if you woke up today and you're saying, my back hurts, my shoulders, I slept with too many pillows, all you have to do is take a shower or bath, Carrie. And when you get out, it's like you feel amazing and ready to start your day. So it's not just how you look, it's also about how you feel.